Farming is changing. It's not just about tradition anymore. Technology is here. Data is transforming how we raise animals. Goat farming is no exception. Data analytics is making goat farms smarter and more efficient. We now have amazing tools to collect information about our goats. Sensors on collars track how much each goat eats and how much they move. Cameras in the barn monitor their behavior. We can even use drones to check on pastures. All this data helps us understand our goats better. We can see which goats are healthy and which ones need attention. We can track their growth and milk production. This information is powerful. Data analytics isn't just about the present, it's about learning from the past to improve the future. By comparing current data with historical records, we can identify trends and patterns. We can see how weather affects milk production, or how changes in feed impact weight gain. This historical perspective helps us make better decisions. We can adjust feeding schedules, optimize breeding programs, and even predict potential health problems before they arise. Section 4. Healthier goats, more milk, greener pastures. Data analytics is a game changer for goat health. Sensors can detect early signs of illness by monitoring temperature, activity levels, and even changes in rumination patterns. This allows for early intervention, preventing the spread of disease and reducing the need for antibiotics. Transportation is also being revolutionized. Sensors can track the location and condition of goats during transport, ensuring their well-being throughout the journey. This reduces stress on the animals and minimizes losses. Data also helps us manage resources more effectively. By analyzing grazing patterns, we can optimize pasture rotation and reduce overgrazing. This promotes sustainable land management and ensures a healthy environment for the goats. Section 5. From data to dollars, boosting profits with analytics. Data analytics isn't just good for the goats, it's good for business. By optimizing herd health, farmers can reduce veterinary costs and increase productivity. Improved breeding programs lead to higher quality offspring and increased milk yields. Data can also help farmers tap into new revenue streams. For example, by analyzing manure output, farmers can determine the feasibility of bioenergy projects, turning waste into a valuable resource. This not only improves the farm's environmental footprint, but also creates an additional income source. Section 6. A sustainable future for goats and farmers. Data analytics is more than just a technological advancement. It's a way to ensure the long-term sustainability of goat farming. By improving animal welfare, optimizing resource management, and boosting profitability, data-driven practices are creating a brighter future for goats and farmers alike. As technology continues to evolve, the possibilities for data analytics in goat farming are endless. This data revolution is not just changing the way we farm, it's shaping the future of agriculture.